Today I'm going to show you how to use filters in CapCut. So I'm going to add in a video over here. So let's say we're going to use like this one over here. I like this quite a lot. Let's add it in here. And at the top, you'll see quite a bunch of different options. But if you just scroll to the right, you'll see filters. And filters are nice. They're not presets, they're filters. So they're overlays. So basically what you'll do is you will look through the filters that you would like to use. You're going to click down and you can drag it and put it on the actual clip. Now, the reason I put it on the clip is because that filter will only affect the clip itself. If you are putting it above like this, then what's happening is you can adjust the length. Okay, so let's say you want to only have it like that much. Okay, and now you can see this is the difference. But also, if you have multiple, let's just say we have more than one video clip, okay? This filter will now affect every single one of these video clips, as opposed to putting this inside your video clip. That means it'll only affect the actual video clip that you're putting it in, and this will not be affected. As you can see, if I put that off, that one is not affected.